Good afternoon. I want to come because I have purchased items from Temu, and it is the first time I have purchased items from Temu, and I wanted to show the items that I have purchased. These are some platform wedge sandals, elastic on top, and this was my first purchase with them. So I did get a 90% discount, and they were about $7.99 when I purchased them from Temu. They were $7.01, and they are a size 6 in black. That was the first purchase, and I got a 90% discount for purchasing these. And this is just an unboxing. I'm not trying any of them on. The next order I made, and I did this all in the same day. The next order were these two dresses because when I made the order, I discovered there was a $15 minimum. So I ordered this dress here, and it says Faith, and this is $10.79, and it is a full length dress. It's not just a shirt, and it's $10. It was $10.79. And then after that, when it said I needed to order at least $15, I had seen this pop up in my feed a lot. And it's this patchwork V-neck dress. And it was $9.47. And so I ordered that as well. And it is this dress, $9.47. So I ordered that. The next thing I ordered were these earrings, and they are in the houndstooth pattern, and they were $1.79. I have the round and the rectangle. Let me open it up so they can be seen easier. I have the round and I have the rectangle. And for the set, both pairs were $1.79 for both pairs of houndstooth black and white earrings. And in that same order, I ordered these houndstooth black and white heels, open toe heel, and that was $12.74. They're size 6.5. They didn't have a 6, so I went up a size instead of going down to a 5.5. So I ordered that to match the earrings. So I ordered that in this order. And lastly, I've been looking for a curly human hair wig to purchase, to start with, and they had one. And this is one with bangs. It's not a lace front, which is fine for me. And this is what I purchased from Temu. I think the inches on this is 50% density human hair Jerry curl wig, and it is not a lace front. This is the cap construction. It has combs and it has the adjustable straps with no elastic band. I can add that myself. I've done that before, but it is human hair. It's 150% density and it is 10 inches long. And the color is PB, P1, P1B30. So it is like a honey blonde, which kind of matches my hair. So that is my Temu haul. When I try on the dresses and the shoes, I will let you know how they fit. But this is just the Temu unboxing. Thank you for watching.